In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the Kia Sorento, exploring its standout features, strengths, and a few drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right SUV for you. Exceptional value for features. Kia has built a strong reputation for delivering exceptional value, and the Kia Sorento is no exception. For years, Kia has been known for offering vehicles packed with features typically found in higher-end models, all at a competitive price point. The Sorento continues this trend, making it one of the best value options in the midsize SUV segment. With a starting price lower than many of its direct rivals, the Sorento provides buyers with impressive standard features. Even in the base trim, you get an intuitive infotainment system with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, advanced driver assistance systems like forward collision warning and lane keeping assist, and a comfortable interior with premium materials. Many competitors either charge extra for these features or reserve them for higher trims, but Kia includes them at no added cost. Kia has mastered the balance of affordability and premium feel, making the Sorento an outstanding choice for families and individuals who want a feature-rich, comfortable, and reliable SUV without overpaying. In a segment where prices continue to rise, the Sorento proves that great value is still possible. Comprehensive safety suite. The Kia Sorento comes standard with an extensive suite of advanced safety features, surpassing many competitors in its segment. Every trim includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. In contrast, rivals like the Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot often require upgrading to higher trims or purchasing optional packages to access similar features. Kia's Highway Driving Assist, available on mid and upper trims, combines adaptive cruise control with lane centering technology, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities. While similar systems exist in competitors, many lack the refinement and responsiveness of Kia's setup. The Sorento also includes a driver attention warning system, which monitors driver fatigue and provides alerts, something not always standard in this segment. The available surround view monitor and blind spot view monitor give drivers a clear visual of their surroundings, reducing blind spots when changing lanes or parking. Honda and Toyota offer similar features, but typically on only their highest trims. Additionally, Kia's Safe Exit Assist prevents passengers from opening doors into oncoming traffic, a feature not found in all competitors. In crash tests, the Sorento consistently earns top safety ratings. Kia's commitment to high-strength steel construction and advanced airbag systems further enhances protection. Compared to models like the Chevrolet Traverse or Nissan Pathfinder, which may lack standard blind spot monitoring or advanced collision avoidance at lower trims, the Sorento stands out as one of the safest choices in its class without requiring expensive upgrades. Distinctive X-Line and X-Pro trims. The Kia Sorento's X-Line and X-Pro trims go beyond cosmetic upgrades, offering real off-road capability and functional enhancements that many competitors lack. While some rivals, like the Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition and Chevrolet Traverse RS, focus primarily on appearance changes, the Sorento's rugged trims include mechanical improvements that enhance performance on challenging terrain. The X-Line features increased ground clearance, up to 8.2 inches, unique front and rear fascias for better approach and departure angles, and standard all-wheel drive with a center-locking differential. Unlike the Toyota Highlander's AWD system, which prioritizes all-weather traction over off-road capability, the Sorento X-Line is designed for light trail use while maintaining on-road comfort. The X-Pro trim builds on this with all-terrain tires, a higher towing capacity of up to 4,500 pounds, and a retuned suspension for better control on dirt roads and rough surfaces. Unlike competitors that offer appearance packages without mechanical upgrades, the Sorento X-Pro provides functional improvements for those who need a capable SUV for adventure. There is also a plug-in hybrid, providing a perfect blend of efficiency and power with an all-electric driving range of up to 32 miles. This hybrid powertrain combines a 13.8 kilowatt-hour battery with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a total of 261 horsepower. Competitors in the midsize SUV segment rarely offer a plug-in hybrid option, making the Sorento Fave a standout choice for eco-conscious drivers looking for both performance and fuel savings. Now let's talk about the cons. Limited cargo space when all seats are in use. With all three rows in use, the Kia Sorento's cargo space becomes one of its biggest limitations. While the Sorento offers a third row, it's best suited for children or smaller passengers due to its limited legroom compared to larger three-row SUVs like the Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot. When the third row is occupied, the available cargo space behind it is minimal, enough for a few grocery bags, but not much else. Road trips or family outings requiring luggage, strollers, or sports equipment will likely require folding down the third row, significantly reducing passenger capacity. Competitors like the Hyundai Palisade and Chevrolet Traverse offer noticeably larger cargo areas when all seats are in use, making them better suited for families needing both seating and storage. For buyers who frequently need to transport 7 passengers and their belongings, the Sorento may not be the best option. However, for those who primarily use it as a 5-passenger vehicle with the third row folded down, cargo space is much more practical. The Sorento's flexibility is a strong point, but families needing a true 3-row SUV with ample storage may find its cargo capacity limiting. Some drivers report less responsive handling compared to competitors, particularly in tight corners or at higher speeds. While the ride is comfortable and well insulated, the steering can feel light and less connected to the road. One reviewer described it as capable, but not particularly engaging, with a noticeable lack of feedback through the wheel. Compared to competitors like the Mazda CX-90, which is praised for its sharp handling and sportier driving dynamics, the Sorento leans more toward comfort than agility. The suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, which benefits highway cruising but results in more noticeable body roll when taking turns quickly. For most buyers, especially families looking for a practical daily driver, this isn't a deal-breaker. However, those who prioritize a more engaging drive may find the Sorento's handling less satisfying than SUVs like the Honda Passport or Hyundai Santa Fe, both of which offer a more responsive steering feel. One downside to the Kia Sorento, especially with higher trim levels, is its resale value. While Kia models generally offer excellent initial value, their resale value tends to be lower compared to competitors like Toyota and Honda. Over a 5-year period, you could notice a substantial depreciation difference. For instance, a fully loaded Sorento SX Prestige, which might cost around $46,000 new, could lose more value compared to a similarly priced Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot. These vehicles tend to retain their value better due to their strong reputation for durability and reliability. After 8 years, a Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot could retain many thousands more in value than a Sorento, potentially leaving you with a significant financial gap if you plan to resell. Even higher trim levels of the Sorento, despite their initial premium features, often don't retain the same premium resale price after a few years of ownership. This may not be a concern for buyers who intend to keep their vehicles for the long term. However, if you're planning to resell within a few years, it's worth considering that a higher trim Sorento might not provide the same return on investment as a Toyota or Honda would. Overall, the Kia Sorento is a highly competitive option in the midsize SUV market, offering a great balance of value, advanced features, and versatility. Its spacious interior, advanced safety suite, and rugged X-Line and X-Pro trims make it stand out in a crowded segment. However, like any vehicle, it does come with some drawbacks, such as limited cargo space when the third row is in use, less engaging handling compared to rivals, and lower resale value over time. Despite these cons, the Sorento remains an excellent choice for families seeking a well-rounded, affordable SUV with a range of practical features. Every car on the market has its trade-offs, and the Sorento's strengths far outweigh its weaknesses for most buyers.